The GoveeLife H7126 Mini Air Purifier cleans small spaces with its true HEPA filter and quiet operation, while Smart Control and Aromatherapy keep your air fresh and comfortable. Let's get into it. What's in the box? In the box, you find the GoveeLife Smart Mini Air Purifier, HEPA filter, power adapter, aroma pad, and user manual. Product overview: air outlet, touch control panel, aroma pad, Aroma Box, DC input port, housing, air inlet, 3-in-1 HEPA filter, adapter output cable, power adapter, non-slip pad, bottom cover handle. How to pair. Download the Govee Home App from the Google Play Store and the Apple Store. Then install it. Make sure Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are enabled on your phone. First, plug in your Govee Purifier and power it on. Open the app, tap the plus button at the top to scan for nearby devices, then select your purifier and press Add. Follow the prompt to press the power button on the unit to pair it. Once connected, name your device, connect it to your Wi-Fi, and when you see Wi-Fi connection successful, your air purifier is ready to use. How to use. Place on a flat, stable surface in your bedroom, keeping it at least 20 to 30 centimeters away from walls or furniture for optimal airflow. Open the filter panel and insert the air filter, ensuring the arrows match the airflow direction, then close the panel securely. Plug in the purifier, press the power button, and choose your preferred fan speed or mode using the touch controls or the app. You can set a timer, activate sleep mode for ultra-quiet operation, or add a few drops of essential oil to the aroma pad for a fresh scent. Just remember to reset the filter indicator after replacing the filter. Maintenance. Remove the filter cover, dispose of the old filter. Replace with a new filter. Smart features. The 3-in-1 HEPA filter captures dust, pollen, pet dander, smoke, and other particles, combining a pre-filter, true HEPA filter, and activated carbon layer to keep the air clean and fresh. The activated carbon odor removal layer effectively traps and neutralizes smoke, cooking smells, and pet odors. It ensures your indoor air stays fresh, clean, and comfortable at all times. The quiet, energy-efficient operation keeps the air purifier running softly without disturbing sleep or work. It also consumes minimal power, making it eco-friendly and cost-effective for daily use. The Timer and Multiple Modes feature lets you schedule automatic shutoff and choose between auto, sleep, or turbo modes. This ensures flexible, convenient, and efficient air purification for any situation. Specifications. Safety precautions. Troubleshooting. Want to grab the GoveeLife H7126 Mini Air Purifier from Amazon? Just tap the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your GoveeLife H7126 Mini Air Purifier. See you in the next one.